The Zonesun ZS-FP220E is a fully electric paste packing machine running at 60 to 90 bags per minute, delivering high-speed, precise, and quiet operation without requiring an air compressor. Designed for viscous products such as body lotion, energy gel, creams, jams, and sauces, it integrates filling, sealing, cutting, coating, and date printing into one streamlined process. Equipped with an easy-to-use bilingual LCD control panel, it ensures efficient performance, hygienic operation, and seamless integration into modern production lines.